Celsius has had one heck of a ride from just 3 years ago. This is the monthly chart, and back in the pandemic lows, the price was sub $10, and today we're talking roughly $175. These resistance support bands just represent key levels, and we can see most recently price was range bound and then shot higher. Before we continue with the analysis, a look at this article. There's no doubt that Celsius has been one of the best investments in recent years. Since September 2018, the stock has skyrocketed a ridiculous 4,500%, meaning 10K is worth 462,000 today. Celsius, which is riding the wave of increased demand for energy drinks, focuses on what it calls functional energy. The company provides consumers with various beverages that include vitamins, minerals, caffeine, even claiming that its products can help boost metabolism and fat loss. Just in the most recent quarter, revenue increased 112% compared to a year ago period. And this is on the back of 108% sales growth in 2022. But it gets better. Recently, Celsius entered into a deal with the beverage giant last year in PepsiCo that would make PepsiCo its distribution partner both domestically and overseas. About 95% of Celsius' total revenue last quarter came from North America. And PepsiCo has the potential to take things internationally. However, if you're going to pay, you're going to be paying a steep valuation. The forward price to earnings ratio is 113. Forward price to sales is 12. Typically, this is what you see for high-flying software enterprises as opposed to a drink company. So the question remains, is the promise of huge growth worth the current price tag? Just kind of going back to the charts and going down to the weekly chart, we can see how price was basing, and then we had this huge run up from the 140 level to roughly 180. Now price is pulling back with the overall stock market. Typically, when you have a breakout, you typically retest before price moves higher. Let's go down to the daily chart. So that gap higher that we saw, the gap higher on the daily, was that extended range green candle that we saw in the weekly. So will price fill the gap? Don't know. But if price can get to roughly the 150 level, that is an opportunity to go long. Again, Celsius is not even internationally yet, so they got plenty of room for growth in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.